Hello people, this will be a quick unboxing of a soldering mat basically. I bought it from Amazon. As always, Amazon's thumbs up for you guys. You know, the delivery is more or less next day, providing that it's in the Amazon Prime scheme. I've looked online, and the best one out of the lot I found was this particular one, which is nearly over 1,400 people have actually left review on Amazon. It's not expensive, it's about $14.99, and I'll show you on my mobile phone. Okay, that's the one. Okay, so let's get into unboxing it and see what I think. I believe this is quite thick, so try not to be in front of the camera. As I said, I'm struggling with space, and because I'm struggling with space, for me to do anything proper, it's becoming a bit of a pain on the ass. So packaging on top of packaging, that's absolutely brilliant. This is the the main packaging. It does have some extra information here. Anti-static soldering mat. Model number PM300001. Maximum withstand temperature is 500 degrees Celsius. Materials high high temperature silicon. Weight is 610 gram. The size is wide is 45 centimeter, and the depth, which is front to back, is 30 centimeter, I believe. Thickness is, whoa, right, okay, right, that's quite thick. That actually, it says 5.8 cm. So I'm not. That could be the compartments and things like that with it, basically, because I can't see the thickness of the actual mat being that high. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay, well, the packaging has been taken in consideration. So here we are. It's obviously made by a company called this. I'm not going to try and pronounce this. So let's get it out of packaging and see what's going on here. I'll have to grab a pair of scissors to do that. Hope I don't chop it off before even. Okay, not too bad. So as you can see, I've got lots of foam repairs to go through, lots of them. On this side of the bench, if you can see, on this side of the bench, I'm actually boost charging some of the batteries that have been kept in stock, and they've discharged fully. So I'm using that in the bench power supply, but I've got to go through a lot of phones this weekend plus next week. So yep, that's all being prepped. I'll throw the packaging away. There's no need for the packaging. There's some strong magnetic absorbent screw and other small areas. Tool supplied, storage with right. So I'll let you guys have a quick read through this. That's what it says. I'm not going to go through all of it. That's it. So but it's just a mat, it's just a working mat, and there's nothing specific. I'm just wondering where the magnet is an anti-static, so I'm assuming that you should be able to whether if you can connect this to a ground, I don't know. I mean, these are ESD mat basically, which if I've got a plug, that gets plugged into the mains, so I can't see any sort of thingy. But no, I don't think these are ESD protected. Let me just double check on the Amazon website if there's any mentions of ESD. No, I can't see any Anti-corrosion box. Yeah, it's magnetic. These magnetic compartments on the side. These. I don't think these are magnetic. No, they're not. So I'm going to try and start using this. And yeah, there's no mention of ESD on here, so I don't think it is ESD safe. But that's beside the thing. It's mainly for soldering, because what it is, these mats are expensive versus what this is. So for that reason, I've had to buy this to safeguard this mat while I'm doing the soldering side of it. Plus these little compartments on the mat, let me show you a bit closer up, are very, very useful, because I can put screws, bits here, bits there, rather than, you know, on this mat, because, you know, these tiny little screws can sort of fly off and go to a, you know, it'll just disappear from your desk. It has happened, so this will quite significantly help. We have here, don't know what this is, but anyway, I think that's it really. The thickness is okay, not bad. I mean, I've purely gone for the fact that there's over 1,400 positive 5-star review on this puppy. Otherwise you can pick up the mats for about £5, £6, £10, whatever it is, but I've purely gone for that, and I think I'm quite happy with for 15 quid, next day delivery, fair price. So I'll be cracking on. Let's get a phone on the bench and start repairing them. But it's quite that's been interesting, because it's gripping. It's a type of plastic that is gripping the back of the phone like a glue, basically, like a magnet, I should say. Okay, that is it won't slip. I mean, I'm literally pushing on it. Just watch. I'm gonna smack it, and it's not moving. So that's pretty amazing. That. But yeah, I think it's brilliant. So if you want a mat, I'll leave the link below on my video description. And just get one for yourself, you know. Yep, that's all really. Have a great weekend, guys. All the best, and I'll catch up with you in my next video. Bye for now.